Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you are new here, my name is Sam. If you aren't new here, you know that we have been going through this massive haul that I recently found on eBay. This video I'm going to be sharing all of these paper packs. They're like the perfect little craft pack. There's a few of them and each one comes with different cardstock and stickers. I thought we could go through those and look at them, and I don't know, I like looking at Halloween things and I feel like you guys do too. If you guys want to get to know me, see what I'm up to, you can follow me over on Instagram. All my social media links are listed down below. And don't forget to turn on your notifications and subscribe. That way you're notified whenever I do a video premiere plus live chat. So if you're in the live chat watching this right now, shout out to you guys, and if you're watching this at a later time, thanks so much for clicking on the video. We might be here for a bit. First paper pack that we have, this is from Echo Park. I've been talking a lot about them. I love them. And this is from the collection I Love Halloween by Lori Whitlock. With these, you get all sorts of papers and stickers. Sticker sheet, as you can see. So many cute options. This is so cute. I feel like I actually I can't even remember, but this pattern might look familiar to you guys because I think this collection was in some of the ephemera that I showed off, like the little Halloween scrapbook bits. But look at just all the fun Halloween things. Look at this little witch. Little mummy over here says all wrapped up in Halloween. Same. Man, I'm just really obsessed with these little pennants, the little banners. So let's see what we got for paper. I have this nice plaid, and on the back we have this witchy pattern. Love this. We have some potion bottles. Love. And then on the back we have like these little, what size would this be? I think 4x6, where you can cut these out. You can add them on cards. You can do like little journals. Love these jack-o'-lanterns and stars. Nice little olive green. A bunch of spooky words. And we have that little mummy cutie. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, 'tis near Halloween. Oh, just the smell of these. Man, I just got like thrown back into when I would craft my Halloween invites. I would hand make my Halloween invites, guys, all of them. I actually thought about doing a video about throwing a Halloween party. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. Let me know. Love these little ghosties and stars. The bats are fun. I feel like just looking at this, you can hear the little bats fluttering. Love the spider webs. More images here. Love that you have this like border down here that you can use and cut out. So cute. Little trick-or-treaters. Love the stars, of course. Love all this Halloween candy. Then we have a few more spider webs. More little cards you can cut out. Love this autumn plaid. That's fun. I feel like I have a flannel in that pattern. This checklist, Halloween trick-or-treat checklist. Make or buy a costume, carve a jack-o'-lantern, decorate the house, attend a Halloween party, make a trick-or-treat bag, buy glow sticks, buy lots of candy, trick-or-treating. This is a really fun page. All right, let's see what else we have, because we have a few packs to get through. This one is from Photo Play in the collection of Fright Night by Tracy Smith. This is like a really fun color palette. So here's the sticker sheet that comes with it. I love the turquoise. I love like the mustard color and like the deep orange. This caramel apple is fun. Love the candies and the eyeballs. Love these little tags down here. I call these tags, but all right, let's look at these papers. So we have some spider web. Oh wow, look at this. This is like actually, this would be good for Summerween. Yep. And then with this one, I don't know if you guys can see if the camera's picking it up, but you have moons on here, trees, it says spooky, you have a few little tombstones, have a crisscross pattern, and then skulls and crossbones. Ooh, look at this candy. That's a fun page. Tarot cards, spell books, potion. I love the little witch brooms. They're like... Then we have more polka dots, and we have these images back here. 'Tis the season to be spooky. I've got my eye on you. Beware, the witching hour is near. Did I share this one? It looks like it's from the same collection from the first one that I shared with you, but it's a little bit different. The papers are pretty much the same, so we'll go through those quickly. Here are the stickers. Look at all these little options that you have. Have some haunted houses. Oh, I love the little Halloween balloons. The candy, little trick-or-treat bag. Frankly, you make me happy. You say witch like it's a bad thing. Little pumpkin. Oh, this is fun. Little witch hats. If one door closes, another door opens, your house is probably haunted. Too cute to spook. More polka dots. Then you have these haunted houses with little ghosts flying around. Skull and crossbones. Bunch of little spooky speech bubbles. Little like spooky swirl. More little tags here. Spider webs. Look at these little ghosties flying. Oh, that's fun. This reminds me of a plaid shirt I had a long time ago from like Hot Topic. Diagonal stripes. More spider web. Have more little cards here that you can cut out. Oh, did I show that one? This one actually I have had before. You guys probably recognize the artwork from the past few videos. This is from Simple Stories. I'll go through this one really quickly, but I feel like it's pretty much the same as the collections in the other videos. This sticker sheet, I love, love, love this little cluster of little phrases down here. Then we have some of my favorite things like the little tabs. So adorable. Candy corn. And some polka dots, some more little things that you can cut out. Great for journaling cards. Love, love, love those. Oh yeah, you guys have probably actually seen a lot of this stuff on in the video of my craft cart, my Halloween craft cart. These are little tags that you can cut out. Here's some more, and it's nice that they're two-sided so you get different options. Love this page. I love the color palette on that. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love the stars. Just a lot of fun, frightful friends in this one. Look at this gloomy sky. Tell me this is not everything. Like, why can't the sky be like this all the time? Love this lime green color. Just have a bunch of haunted houses. I think I have some bits from this one. This is from Echo Park. And this is in the collection Spooky. I really love the mossy green. I can't wait to work with that. And then here's the sticker sheet. This one is jam-packed. Oh my goodness, I love this little cute pumpkin, this little jack-o'-lantern tier. I love all the little sayings. Right this way, it's witching hour. Oh, this little pumpkin and this little wagon. Happy Boo Day to you. I'm so bats about you. Trick or treat. My heart, I'm obsessed with these little candied apples. I want to craft. We have some polka dots. Man, I just want this in a dress. Don't you guys love this pattern and this color? So cute. So we got some spider webs. Some phrases. Love these little skulls. Oh, look at these. Sweet little ghosty friends. This kind of reminds me of like a Hocus Pocus type of vibe with the little stars and like the little potion swirls. Stop it right now. Are you joking? Look at these little ghost suckers. Oh my god. Love, love, love. Some little trick-or-treaters, little witch, Frankenstein, and Dracula, vampire. And then we have some swirls. Oh, this is pretty. If you've got it, haunt it. Little cute jack-o'-lanterns. This is fun. So many other colors would pop against this one. Trunk or treat. More little pumpkins, little witches. This is all just a bunch of like mix and match stuff. There might be a few repeats of things I've shown, at least the patterns and whatnot, but these are, looks like they're single sheets, maybe some repeats, so we'll look through this. This is so fun. This makes me think immediately of little Halloween cards. I love you more than candy corn. Stop it right now. This is fun. Little creepy 4th of July theme. Oh, I love this. This is my favorite. I love, love, love this. I love like the little notepad pages. Little library card. Like we got some little gnome stickies. I love the words and the little candy corn border down here. You guys have seen this collection. Love these tags. They're larger, so man, this would be so cute on a Halloween tree. So cute in a garland. You guys can hear Raven panting. We just came from inside and it's kind of warm today here in Salem. Warmer than we thought. Oh my goodness. Look at these little spooky sunglasses. Love, love, love that garland with the little washi tape. Little books, and we have this candelabra. Welcome, my pretties. I feel like some of these are gonna be repeats. Oh, what is this? Are these stickers? Oh, interesting. Okay, so these are just die cuts, so you can cut these and make your own. I think those are repeats. I think this sticker sheet is a repeat. I'm just obsessed with all these borders. Some more little stickers. I think these are also repeats. Love this. Look how cute this bingo card is. That's so adorable. This reminds me when we played Boo Bingo over on my Patreon for a Halloween party. Oh, this is a fun set. Dressed to Spook. Love all the layering that they have printed on here. Oh, what's this one? These are fun stickers. This one's a repeat. This pattern is a repeat anyway. Love, love, love all these borders. Especially love all of the gravestones, the eyeballs. We have more stickers here, and these are repeats. And this is a fun little sheet. Costume, cauldron, makeup, treat bag, pumpkin, friends, excitement. Ooh, these are nice and bright. Bone to be wild. Little potion bottles. And it looks like we have some tags. These will be really fun to work with. Some more borders. So this is a sticker sheet. I don't think there's anything like this that was included in everything. Really love the arrows and the dots. And of course, all of the borders here. Well, let's look at this last sheet. I'm really, really excited about this one. This one is everything. In one of my previous hauls, I shared some foam stickers, I believe, from this collection, if you remember, like the Hello October, this little clip note here. Absolutely love so much. I love all of these little sayings down on the bottom. In the moonlight, happy haunting. I just love that they give you so many different options down here. And I think besides the movie tickets, I really love these like little paint swatches. Look at this humongous sticker. Wow. That's cute. So you can put like a photo in there. That's adorable. So stinking spooky. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this Halloween craft haul. I hope that you got a little Halloween happiness by looking at all of the little spooky cute stickers and papers. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It would mean so much to me. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, all my social media links are listed down below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you know when my new videos are premiering, along with the live chats. You can come hang out with us. I hope you guys are all doing well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!